Hey folks, John with Baker Boy here today. Another exciting, cool product that Baker Boy makes here, the Woodenknife Indian Frybread Dough. It's a nice, cool product that a person can make Indian tacos with, a lot of different kinds of desserts. So you want to leave them frozen until you're ready to use them. And go ahead and just pull them out, set them on a sheet pan, and we're going to let these thaw for a half hour. And then I'm going to go ahead and prep these up so that we can go ahead and fry them off.
I will take a pizza wheel or a knife or a pair of scissors, whatever you have, whatever works for you, and cut some toes on the fry bread. Doesn't matter, you know, you can cut them any way you want. Go ahead and just pull the fry bread with the cut toes and just kind of stretch them out, and we're going to fry that off like that. So these are hot and fresh out of the fryer. I'm going to go ahead and just use granulated sugar and sugar this up and get these ready to be ice creamed and topped for our ice cream sundaes. Okay, we've got our fried ice cream plated. I've got the sugar on there. We've got the ice cream all ready to go. So go ahead and let's just pop that on there like that. Let's get the second one ready. There we go. A person can go ahead and decorate it any way you want. You know, this one we can just put our whipped cream around the top just like that on both of them. And if a person wants to drizzle any kind of toppings, whatever is available that you want to do, just do that like that. And away we go. And again, fried ice cream sundae made with the Baker Boy Woodenknife Frybread Dough. And again, any questions, comments, concerns, please contact us at bakerboy.com.